Today, we're diving into a new technology that's totally changing the game in industrial cleaning.
You know, the old ways of cleaning, they're costing you way more than just money. I mean, they're messy, expensive, and honestly, kind of dangerous. It's time for an upgrade.
Think about it. Sandblasting chews up your materials and your budget on consumables.
And chemical cleaning? That means toxic waste and putting your team at real risk.
Well, now there's a much smarter, more powerful way. The Chihalo CW laser.
So how does it work? It's a steady, continuous beam of super-focused light.
It zaps just the gunk, rust, paint, oil, vaporizing it instantly, leaving the metal perfect.
This is a huge leap forward. It's safer, way cleaner, and incredibly precise.
But what about your bottom line? Okay, let's talk numbers. The savings are massive.
You could slash your operating costs by a whopping 40 to 60%.
Get this, we're talking just $2 to $4 an hour to run.
And it is crazy fast. That means your productivity is going to go through the roof.
And there's a model for everyone, from small shops all the way to heavy industry.
So what do you get for your investment? It's a complete, ready-to-work system.
Yep, everything you need is right there in the box, including training and support.
But here's the best part. This isn't an expense, it's an investment that pays off fast.
Most customers see a full return on their investment in just 8 to 14 months.
So, the real question is, are you ready to upgrade your whole operation?
It's time to leave those old, expensive, and dirty methods in the past.
You can ask for a quote or even a free test. So, what will you clean first?